Good morning, students. Welcome back to 10th class English. Today we shall read a story. The name of the story is The Village George. George means Bicharapati. Village George means Gra Bicharapati. Written by Premchand. Premchand was a West Hindi novelist. He has written he has written a lot of Hindi novels, short stories. Here is the story that is The Village George. We will discuss today. Look at the picture. This is the Grama Panchayat or Pancha or village meeting. So, Grama Panchayat is the organization of elected Panchas. The members are called Panchas. Panchas. Because the members of Gram Sabha of the village. Yes. Quarrels means Jhagada Jhantia, Kali Karjia. Quarrels and fights. Jhagada Jhantia, Kali Karjia. etc. Quarrels and fights are common everyday life. प्रतिदिनिया जीवन गोटे साधारण कथा कली कजिया इत्यादि इत्यादि. We often go to the village headman. बहुत समय आम गाँ मुखिया पाक जाऊ और दी पुलिस स्टेशन पुलिस थाना को जाऊ टू सेटल आवर क्वारेल्स. आमर ये क्वारेल को समाधान करने पुलिस थाना किंबा गाँ मुखिया पाक जाइथाओ. Sometimes village pancha is there. Here is the pancha as you see on the picture. To ensure compromise. And sometimes the village pancha do it, settle the problem or make a compromise among the warring groups or fighting groups. समाधान कर दियंते between the quarreling groups or warring group or fighting groups. The title of the story is The Village George. Let's see what the story is about. Okay, we shall move to the text just 1 minute. Yes. The text is like this. In the name of the story is The Village George. Before you read, a question for you. Do you sometimes fight with your brothers and sisters? Yes, we do. We do fight. Who do you go to settle your quarrel? We generally go to our father or mother or elder brother to settle our quarrel. Next question. Why do people go to the judge? Yes, people go to the judge to settle their quarrel. Next question is, do you know about the village pancha? Yes, village pancha a group of people or panchayat, that is pancha means panchayat, a group of people who look after different welfare matters of the village. Can you tell the class what you know? The title of the story you are going to read is The Village George. Do you think it will be a story about the friendship or enmity? Yes, maybe about friendship or enmity, but after going through the story, we can understand what is the story about. And the story begins like this. Juman Sheikh, name of a person, and Algu Chowdhury. Juman Sheikh is a name of person, Algu Chowdhury is also a name of person. These two persons were great friends. Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were great friends. Who were great friends? Juman Sheikh and Algu Chowdhury were great friends. Each trusted विश्वास करते. Trust means विश्वास. Each trusted the other completely. That means both. प्रत्येक को संपूर्ण भाव विश्वास करते. Could understand? Got it? Each trusted. That means Juman Sheikh trusted Algu Chowdhury trusted Juman Sheikh completely. Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. Who had an old aunt? Juman Sheikh had an old aunt. She had a small piece of property. What did I say? She had a small piece of property. Who had? The old aunt had. Juman Sheikh's old aunt had a small piece of property. Property means sampati pieces khande thila. Juman had persuaded. Who persuaded? Juman had persuaded. You know, persuaded mane dagu bataila. Oh. जुम्मन ताको प्रवर्ताइला. प्रतिदिन कहला टू ट्रांसफर ता नारे बदले दागो दी प्रॉपर्टी टू हिज नेम. हु परसुएडेड हूँ? जुम्मन persuaded her aunt to do what? To transfer the property to his name. से संपत्तिटा जुम्मन शेखर नारे कर देबाको सदा प्रवर्ताइला. So long as it was not done, जो पर्यंत so long as it was not done, जो पर्यंत ये संपत्तिर मालिकाना बदला ही नथिला, the aunt had been treated with great kindness and respect. Who had been treated? The aunt was with what? With great kindness and respect. बहुत सम्मान और दया रे ताकू सत्कार करा जाउतला. को पर्यंत? जो पर्यंत संपत्तिटा जुम्मन शेख नारे लेखा ही नथिला. But when the property was transferred, what did I say? What was transferred? The property of whose property? Juman Sheikh's old aunt's property was transferred. ଯେତେବେଳେ ହେଇଗଲା, all kindness vanished, disappeared, ଅଦୃଶ୍ୟ ହେଇଗଲା. से जो आगर सम्मान आउ दया सबू जगह कुआड़े उभे गला. vanished. That means the old aunt did not get any respect and kindness. Juman and wife Kariman became harassed and rude. When the property was transferred, both husband and wife changed. They also changed their attitude, their treatment towards their aunt. They used harass words and rude words. Became harass and rude means used harass and rude words. But निष्ठुर पद व्यवहार कले, निष्ठुर व्यवहार कले मध्य. Who? Juman and his wife. For some time, the aunt bore all this. किछि दिन bore means soil all this. Who bore all this? the aunt. But when she could not bear it no more, but किंतु when she could not bear it no more, ଆଉ ସହି ପାରିଲେନି, and it was too much to bear with. Could understand what happened? For some time the aunt bore all this, but when she could not bear it anymore, that means when it was too much, बेसी ହେଇଗଲା, he could not bear it no more, she complained to Juman. Juman को जाई कहला. Who complained whom? The aunt complained to Juman. Soon, said the aunt said, I can't go on like this anymore. Soon, that is not soon, that is soon. ए पुआ ମୁଁ ଇନ୍ତି ଆଉ ଅଧିକ ଦିନ ଚାଲିବନି. I can't go on like this anymore. ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଏମିତି ଅନେକ ଆଉ ଚଳିପାରିବିନି. You should give me some money. ତୁ ମୋତେ କିଛି ପଇସା ଦେ. I shall cook and eat separately. I shall take care of myself. You just give me some money. ମୋତେ କିଛି ପଇସା ଦେ, ମୁଁ ନିଜେ ରାନ୍ଧିବି ଆଉ ନିଜେ ଖାଇବି ଅଲଗା ହେଇକିରି. Who said it? And said it. To whom? To Juman. Let's see what Juman said. Juman କ'ଣ କହିଲା? Juman replied rudely. Rudely means ନିଷ୍ଠୁରରେ ତାକୁ ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲା. Money does not grow on trees here. ପଇସା ଗଛରେ ଫଳୁନି ବା. Who said it? Juman said it. In a rude voice, Juman said, money does not grow on trees here. ଏଇଠି ଗଛରେ ପଇସା ଫଳୁନି ବା ଏଇଠି ପଇସା ଗଛରେ ଫଳୁନି. Who said it? Juman. The aunt grew angry, became angry, natural. Anyone can angry? So auntie ରାଗିଗଲା. She threatened, ଧମକ ଦେଲା. Threatened means ଧମକ ଦେଲା. Who threatened? The aunt threatened to call a ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ ଡାକିକି କହିଲା, ତାକୁ ଧମକ ଦେଲା. So Juman said, certainly, ଡାକେ. ହଁ ଡାକେ. ଏବେ ପଞ୍ଚାୟତ by all means ଡାକେ ବା ଡାକେ କିନ୍ ଡାକୁଛୁ ଡାକେ. Who said it? Juman said it. I also would like a decision. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ଗୋଟେ ନିଷ୍ପତ୍ତି ହେଉଛି. ଆଜି କ'ଣ ଗୋଟେ ଫଇସଲା ହେଇଯାଉ. I had their daily quarrels myself. ମୁଁ ମଧ୍ୟ ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ. I don't like it. ମୁଁ ଏଇଟା ମୋତେ ପସନ୍ଦ କରୁନି. Who said it? Juman. Could you understand? So let's see the auntie called the panchayat or not. If called, what happened? Yes. For several days. What did I say? For several days after this, ए घटना पर बहुत दिन पर the old woman ran from village to village. गाँव रु गाँ गला with a stick in her hand to support her. तार आश्रा बाड़ी धरिकी गाँव गला. Who? The aunt. Went where? From village to village. With what? With a stick in her hand to support her. Most of the people did not hear the story of the poor woman. अधिकांश लोग did not hear सुनिलेनी. The story of the poor woman. ए गरीब स्त्री लोकर ए बुढ़ी लोकर दुख के सुनलेनी. With care and attention. एतेटा नजर दे सुनलेनी. Did not give care and attention to her story. Who? People. And did not offer her any comfort. କିଛି ମଧ୍ୟ ଆଶ୍ୱାସନା ବାଣୀ ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଲେନି. This continued for a long time. Though he told his story to others, they listened but did not give much care and attention to it. ಅವರು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ଦେଲେନି. And even did not offer her any comfort or consolating word. After making her rounds, she came at last to Algu Chaudhary. तापाकू जाई at last came to Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhary पाकू आइला. Who? The aunt. She threw a stick, Fingila waited for a while to regain her breath and said, बस बैठटा थोइला गड़े पर्यंत दम नेबाकू हालिया होइछि बुढ़ी वाज टाइड एंड वाज ब्रीथलेस oh he regained her breath दम आनिला and said son पुआ you all should come to my panchayat for a short while you also should come to my panchayat for a short while तू मध्य मो पंचायत किसी समय शॉर्ट वाइल मीन्स किसी समय पे आसवा उचित अलगू सैड आई कैन कम एलंग इफ यू लाइक तो जदि इच्छा हो तू जो चाहूँ आई विल कम आई कैन कम आसी पारि तांती बट आई शैल नॉट ओपन माय माउथ देयर किंतु मु सेड पार्टी कलिन मु कलिन हु सेड इट अलगू सेड इट Auntie said, why son, why you will not open your mouth? Kahingi खोलुनु अलगू झुमर इज एन ओल्ड फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन झुमर हूँ मोर सांग मान भर जड़े आई कांट क्वारेल विथ मु सहित झगड़ा करें आई कांट क्रिएट एनी मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग विथ हिम ता सहित मुझे माने अबुझा बुणा कथा करी Aunt, son, will you hesitate to द्विधा प्रकाश करछो hesitate means to say the honest thing सत कथाटा कहया तू पछमुचा दौचु because you fear a quarrel जेहेतु तू झगड़ा डरुचु बोलिक सत कथा कहया पछमुचा दौचु हु said aunt son will you hesitate to say the to पछमुचा देबू कि बिकज यू फियर ए क्वारेल झगड़ा को डरुचु बोलिक पछमुचा देबू कि द्विधा प्रकाश करू कि अलगू had no reply there was no reply to give to his question of the old woman to the question of the old woman यही बुढ़ी लोकर प्रश्न उत्तर नथिला अलगू पाखरे हु हैड नो रिप्लाई अलगू हैड नो रिप्लाई बट हेर वर्ड्स कंटिन्यूड टू एको इन हिज हार्ट एको मीन्स प्रतिध्वनित हिज वर्ड्स कंटिन्यूड इको दैट हिज वर्ड्स हेर वर्ड्स कंटिन्यूड टू इको इन हिज हार्ट ता हृदय कंपन सृष्टि कला प्रतिध्वनित इन हुज हार्ट इन अलगू चौधरी से हार्ट व्हाट हैपेंड द ओल्ड वुमेन्स वर्ड्स कंटिन्यूड टू इको लगिला प्रतिध्वनित होबार लगिला विल यू हेजिटेट टू सी द सेम थिंग विल यू हेजिटेट टू से द ऑनेस्ट थिंग बिकॉज यू फियर ए क्वारेल दिस द सेम वर्ड्स ऑफ द ओल्ड लेडी इकोड इन अलगू चौधरी से हार्ट नाउ comprehension check who are there the main characters here the main characters charitra character means are Juman Sheikh Algu Chaudhary and the old aunt. Next question, how did Juman and his wife treat his aunt when she had her property? When she had her property, Juman and his wife treated their aunt with much kindness and respect. With great kindness and respect. Why did their behavior change? When the property was transferred, their behavior changed. Now they became harassed and rude to the old lady. What did the aunt decide to do? Who did she finally go to? The aunt decided to call the panchayat, and finally she went to Algu Chaudhary to be a member of the to be a panch or member of the panchayat. Yes, Algu was not ready to help Jammu's aunt. How do you think he felt after she had left? After after she had left, yes, when the old lady or the Juman sex aunt approached Algu was not ready to help Jammu's aunt. But when she left, the words of the old lady continued to echoed or to continue to echo in her heart. And the words were, will you hesitate to say the honest thing just because you fear a quarrel? So these words continued to echo in Algu Chaudhary's heart. So that is the end of today's lesson. We shall have the other part in our next session. Till then, bye. Thank you.